Hi, this is John with Souffront Construction and Engineering, and in this video we are going to talk about what happens in the post-inspection phase once you receive your 40, 50-year recertification report. Now it's called the Milestone. They call it the 30-year, the 25-year, or the 10-year recertification. It all boils down to the same fundamentals. It's an inspection on your building on an electrical and structural level. So let's talk about what happens after. So once you receive your report, the first thing you want to read is your cover letter. On your cover letter, you're going to have a summary of the deficiencies that were found, assuming you have deficiencies. You can also be one of those clients that we also have, which pass on the first time around. They have no deficiencies, the building is well kept, there's nothing to do. But let's assume that you're not part of that group, that you do have deficiencies. The first thing you want to do is go to the cover letter and read what the engineer or architect mentioned as deficiencies. Once you read through those, you then want to proceed to the photo report, which is what I call it, is where you have the images of the building showing where the deterioration has occurred. You want to review those items and possibly even do a site visit yourself and take a look at the amount of damage, etc., just so you can have your gauge at the situation. So typically what happens at this phase is customers will reach out and say, thank you for the report, now what do I do? So assuming that these are critical life safety repairs required, they're not recommendations or a hairline crack here and there, assuming these are significant damages, the proper thing to do is hire an engineer to generate construction documents. So if your construction documents, if your report highlights electrical issues, structural issues, whatever the issues may be, you want to hire an engineer so he can superimpose everything that was damaged, everything that was found in distress on your building in those construction plans. So the construction plans are going to be designed by that engineer. They're going to have a repair specification. They're going to have a quantity of how much linear feet or square feet of damages were observed. And basically, that is now the guide that will be used by the general contractor or electrical contractor, whoever the contractor is, for the bidding phase. So it's a very, very important step after you receive your report, is that you study the damages, you hire the right engineering firm to generate these repair details, and then that those repair details be as accurate as possible, so that then your construction contractors, your electrical contractors can have accurate information so they can submit a bid accordingly. So that's usually what we propose to our clients is, hey, let's get all these damages on engineering plans, push them out to your contractors, get bids, and then whichever one is the best bid with the best quality, that's the best vetted contractor. But it's not always about lowest price. You have to always think about vetted. Who's the vetted contractor? Who's qualified? Who has experience in this? Who's done this before? Sometimes better price is not the right thing. So that's usually what happens immediately after a building recertification fails. Then obviously the construction execution, that's another topic, that's another video. So I wanted to create this small clip is to educate clients, property managers, real estate investors on what happens after you fail, or let's not call it the word fail, after your report is given to you with deficiencies. That's the next steps. It's engineering plans, detailing all the deficiencies that are on the report in the plans, so that then you can get a permit and then share with your contractors for bidding. John with Souffront Construction Engineering. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.